Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Crystal and today's video is going to be about all the items I purchased in the Sephora haul. Now I know this video is a little bit late in coming, but it took them a while to get my order in. Actually my order didn't come until like May 7th or 8th. And it's been taking me a minute due to the pandemic to even film this video. So if you're new to my channel, well, I'm just going to let you know we're going to get right into it. So basically what's been going on is we have this pandemic, and so we're not allowed to go into the store and shop and touch and feel things like we normally would. So I had to actually put my order in online. Now some of the items I got were like repurchases and some were new purchases. So I'm just going to go on and let you guys see what I ended up getting. All right, so first we're going to start out with the Fenty Gloss Bombs. And this is the packaging that they come in. And I've gotten these before, so actually I've gotten the, what's this one called? The Fenty Glow Bomb, which is this one here. And I had purchased this one before when it first released, and I like it so well I had to get another one. So just so you can see, it's actually like a nude mauve color. And it goes on really nice. It feels good. It doesn't change the color of your lip products even if you put it on top of your lip products. Excuse me. Also, I purchased another one, which is, this is her newer one called Glass Slipper. And Glass Slipper, as you can see, is very clear here. And I tried this one on as well. Oops, you see it's making a mess. And it doesn't change the color of your lip products either. However, because of the fact that it's clear, you do have to wipe off the applicator after you put it on your lip colors, because it will turn the applicator the color of the lip product that you were using. But these feel really nice. They are not sticky or tacky. They just moisturize your lips and give a nice sheen to the lip colors that you're wearing. And you can also wear them by themselves. So don't sleep on these Fenty Glow products. Okay, next I also purchased from Fenty this Sculpting, what is this called? The Sculpting bronzer brush. And let me see here if I can get it out the package. Yes. And so as you can see, this is what it looks like. It's very fluffy here, and you use this with the bronzer products. So me, I have the powder, Sunstalker, and Coconati, and you just dab it here, dab it under here, dab it under the chin, and whatever. Really soft. I couldn't wait to get this one, especially with the discount for the VIB sale. So normally this product is linked in the description box below. Also, what I ended up getting is the, oh, actually it's $34, sorry. I also ended up getting the Beauty Blender Solid cleansing thing, and this is my second time purchasing this as well. And what you do with this is it cleans your beauty blenders, as well as you can clean your makeup brushes with this. So it's a solid item. I haven't opened it yet, so I don't want to open it because then it'll expose it. But anyway, it's really good for cleaning your beauty blenders and your makeup brushes. So this was another item I purchased. Also, I couldn't pass up on these Jack Black lip balms, lip balms. If you don't have these, I had to get two of them. I really like these. They are for moisturizing your lips. I use these at daytime before I put on my lip products, and at nighttime before I go to bed. And let's see, the color I ended up getting was lavender at the bottom, and it's called Blacktea Blackberry. And I really like these products. I've been using them for a few years now, so I stocked up on a couple of those. And let's see, what else do I have here? Oh, I couldn't pass up on getting these Fenty Snap Shadows, and they're actually really cute and compact. I got number 3, which was Deep Neutrals, and number 7, which is Cadet. And let me just show you how these look. So basically, you get 6 of them. 6 colors here, and they're really nice, and it comes with a mirror. And then the other one is another 6 colors, and you can snap the palettes together so that when you're out traveling you don't have to have bulk, and they snap so easily like that. And then you have like the 6 on this side, and then you have the other 6 here on the other side. See that? And so it's really cute. I'm like, and they have I think 8 different compacts. You get to pick your choice, and you know, since I wasn't in the store, I went on and picked the ones online that I thought I would like the most, and so these are the ones. Okay, moving right along, the next items I have are, I ended up getting some eyeliners, and of course I had to get some Fenty ones. So this is the Flypencil eyeliner, and this is how it looks. And the color I got was, what color is this one? Space Cookie, which is like a brown. I'm only going to twist it a little bit because once you twist it, you can't push it back down. So let's see here, get some of the color. So as you can see, this is how it looks. It's like a nice brown color, which is really nice if you don't want to wear like the black or the harsh black. And so it's really smooth, and like I said, it's retractable, but I guess once you twirl it out, you can't turn it down. So anyway, they have several other colors, but that was the color I got. Next, I also have here, I got 2 Sephora pencils. And one, this is the eyeliner pencil. I think this was only $6, and the color of this one is actually Navy Blue 06. And it's really creamy and smooth. And that's how that one looks. It's at the top. And so I really like using this. I've already used it a couple of times already, and you know, I like navy blues because when I'm wearing blue jeans or whatnot, I like wearing the blues. And also I got another one, which is the retractable one. Now this one's a pencil, so you have to sharpen it. This one is retractable, so you just turn it around. And this one I think is called Shimmer Blue. What's it called here? Yeah, Shimmer Navy. It's called Shimmer Navy, and it's number 19. And I'll put this one on the top here so you can see how that looks. Oh, that's a really gorgeous blue. I really like that one. And I've tried it already, and so that was cool. And I think, do I have anything else? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, that's about it. So it was really good that we have this pandemic going on, because it really saved me. Normally I really buy a lot during these VIB sales, but because we need to be budgeting right now, I was able to not spend like I normally spend. And since I couldn't go in and see the products, it made it easier to just shop online and not spend as much money. So thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And the subscribe word should be over here somewhere, and hit the notification bell. So when I upload new videos, you'll be notified that they have been uploaded. And stay safe out there, and love your look.